Demonstration of the fire progression website at Simtable. The URL is up here, apps.simtable.com/fire progression. And here we have an output of animated progressions of the current active fires. You're able to sort this based on the fire name, date, number of observation points of how many perimeter files there are, as well as the acreage. What we're going to look at here now is the Waldo Canyon fire that was up in Colorado. So we can actually just search for Waldo here. Where's Waldo? There it is. So when this comes up, it brings up a map view for which we can change the layers. We can look at maybe OpenStreetMap or Bing Aerial or hybrid. So let's go ahead and look at this in maybe Bing Road, and maybe zoom in, maybe get a physical model. That'll be good. And then basically any point where there's a blue line is when we have a perimeter outline, and what we're doing is basically interpolating between it. So we're going to start the Waldo Canyon fire off here. We can and look at its progression over time. Right now it's about 180,000 acres. And then on July 3rd, blows out there. We're able to basically scrub back and forth in time as well with this and see that progression. You know, in this day you can see it kind of coming into that mountain shadows housing area around looks like June 26th, June 27th. So we're just scrubbing back and forth, and so that's just something that's dynamically being generated from the fire progression perimeters published by the USGS, and we thank them for that data. This simulation can also run on top of a sim table that's an interactive sand table that you can see on the Simtable site, where we're actually projecting down onto real sand tables, and the sand tables will are then interactive with laser pointers with people around a table. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at info@simtable.com. Here you can see people pointing out on a table. Here you can see the actual sand and fire progressions moving on it. In addition, you're able to look at tactics of maybe where you put air support, as well as hand crews and bulldozer lines. If you have any other questions, again, contact us at info@simtable.com or 505-577-5828. Thank you.